Well, we know we need the rain, but we sure could do without any more stormy weather.
That is true. So just order up some rain, just rain.
You know
John.
what? I'm going to do just that.
Yeah.
And I think that's what's going to happen.
Good.
Saturday's storms for us are looking less and less severe, looking more and more rain. We could see a 2-inch rainfall out of this deal Saturday into early Sunday. We're still early in the game. One of the things we know is, look at those temperatures, one of the things we know is right along that temperature isotherm, it's called, that barrier between the green and the blue, there's going to be another storm developing tomorrow. And we know that there's going to be some severe weather. And we know that the warmer temperatures that we saw earlier in the day are going to aid those storms as they try to fire up here in the middle of the country. We did okay, 76 and 67 were our extremes. Look at our records. Just a trace of precipitation officially at the airport, just under 2.5 inches of rain. Cloudy skies now 71, 85% relative humidity. Winds are light. Pressure is low. I expect it to rise just a bit. 71 degrees again, our current temperatures here. And no rain to be found, though just north of us there's a warm front that's kind of sitting. A warm front that brought this rain to the area. Look at the heavier rainfall we saw across inland Jasper County, up through Hampton County, and back across the states just north of Statesboro, right on the Bullock County line, so to speak. Well, all that precipitation needs a place to develop, and here it goes. This warm front will push back to the north and push away from us. That gives us a relatively nice Friday, but by the time we get to early Saturday morning, we start to see some showers developing. By the time we get to 1:30 Saturday afternoon, here come the storms. But notice the heavier stuff is back here across southwest Georgia. We do see some stronger storms. There will be some thunder. I'm just not so sure there's going to be severe weather like we expect here in the center of the country developing later in the day, during the day tomorrow and into Saturday. In fact, let me show it to you real quick. Here's where the Storm Prediction Center thinks there's severe weather tonight, just a slight risk. Then a moderate risk develops Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, and Kentucky. We are still, excuse me, in that slight risk. And by the time we get to Saturday, it's a slight risk for all of us, or a non-severe risk. So I don't think we're going to see the real big outbreak, but we could see some pretty heavy rain. Look at the precipitation accumulation from one of the models, bringing this 1 and 2 inch rainfall amount all the way down to Savannah. That's the way that's going to stack up. So as the warm front goes north, here comes the frontal boundary that's going to try to develop those storms, and they push into our area 8 o'clock Saturday morning, come through, and we're all done. In fact, Sunday doesn't look like it's going to be that bad of a day at all. Here's your Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight. Showers, any showers, ending 61. Watch for patchy fog. That's going to be a problem. Tomorrow, 82, a warm and more humid day with mostly sunny skies. More clouds early, more sunshine later in the day. 62 tomorrow night. There's the 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms Saturday. That should start after 1 o'clock into early Sunday morning. Sunday's high 63 after the front passes. And we stay in the 60s with overnight lows in the 40s for the rest of the forecast period. So look ahead into the weekend. It won't be a rain out on Sunday. The showers should be early in the day. Saturday, especially after 1 o'clock, could be a little bit challenging for whatever you've got planned. Like getting your rear in gear and running at the Lewis Cancer Pavilion. Do that.
Colon cancer awareness.
That's exactly.
Very important.
Big John Weather on Twitter is where you'll find us. Tweeting, Twitter. I'm the twit. Never mind. Have a great day tomorrow.
Thanks, John. You're so bad.